see chapter 1, okay, for Form 5, which is a redox reaction. So in redox, involve two process, okay, 那两个 process involved. 就是 the first one is oxidation. It's actually an oxidation normally is a gain of oxygen or loss of hydrogen. This one is according, so but normally oxidation is the loss of electron. Normally we compare through electron， 就讲我们用它的那个负离子的那个，我 I gain, I take it, or I lost it, I release it， 应该这样讲。OK，either we release 就是 loss， 然后 I take it, accept 这样子来分辨。Normally oxidation is I release electron, so it's the loss electron loss. 然后and then for this reduction process is the gain, means that it accept the electron. So that's why, because you see in process, when A, B react with CD, it will become B and D will shift. So it become AD plus CB, where from here, okay, you see when this one release electron, one receive. So this means that in a redox reaction, okay, oxidation and reduction comes together. Okay, like from here, A is oxidation. Okay, undergo oxidation. Then yeah, and B will receive, which is reduction. So 它是一起的 ，OK， 只要 as long as it's redox, so oxidation and reduction occurs together. Okay, all right. So let's see the what I call that, the characteristic. Okay, so in oxidation process, okay, there will have it will involve gain of oxygen or loss of hydrogen. But the most important one, normally the most important one will be in terms of electron, it will loss of electron. Means that in half equation, A will become ion A will be ionized into ion A with one by releasing 1 or 2 or 3 electrons accordingly. So how many electron it releases is depends on how many valence electron it has. Like for example, sodium, 它有一个 it has only one valence electron, so it will only release 1. Like copper 2, it has 2 valence electron, so it will release 2. Okay, for aluminium, it has 3 valence electron, so it will release 3 of them. 为什么它 release 一个、两个或者三个 ？Why it release 1, 2 or 3? Because it want to achieve the, we call the octet electron arrangement, to achieve octet electron arrangement. OK， 这个应该在去年就 Form 4的那一个 syllabus 里面我们就有讲到了。OK， 可以理解 for 这个部分。
可以。
对啊 ，OK。Then in terms of oxidation number, it will become increase in the oxidation number. Means that normal 的情况下 in normal the element of atom will be like A will be only A like this. So the oxidation number is 0. But after it release, it become plus, means that positive 1. Okay. Now for reduction, all terbalik. Okay. It will include loss of oxygen, gain of hydrogen, and also it will receive electron, where the atom of B receive electron become B negative, ionized, ion B. So, and there will be a decrease in the oxidation number. This one normally is for those element with more than more than 4 electron valence. 它有多过4个 electron valence, 5、6、7、8 where it just need 1, 2 or 3 electron to receive this 1, 2 or 3 electron to achieve standard octet electron arrangement. Okay, so why these two must occur together? For example, in a reaction, when like here, when A has been ionized, it will release the electron. So the electron cannot like我们是一个讲是一个就是 principle of conservation， 就是讲它是平衡的、永恒的，能量是永恒的，所以一样的道理。When 我 release electron 的时候，那个 electron 是自带能量移动的，它的能量是不能够不见掉的嘛，所以它就需要另外一个去平衡掉它。就 where B comes in， 它需要 receive 可能 let's say 它有7个 electron valence， 那么它就要 store 一个才达到那个 octet 嘛，所以它就 receive 这一个 electron 进来变成 octet。但是 in terms of charge， 就它的 oxidation number。它本来是0的 neutral， 我现在多了一个 electron， 所以我就变 negative， 所以它就要跟 positive 一起中和掉，所以它就 AB 就是这样子来的。为什么 AB 这边没有加或者减？就是因为这个 A 加这个 B 减嘛，它两个加在一起就中和的了。可以理解？
可以。
OK 啊，好，你把这个句子写下来。
写好了。
哦，写好了。OK 啊 ，Good。Now next. Now, redox reaction, okay, it involves like just how we say, reduction and oxidation simultaneously. So, for example, the transfer of electron at a distance, okay, 就讲距离有一个距离的 A 去 B 中间可能有一个距离来 0.1 micron, sorry, 1 micron, right? 1 micron 就是 0.001 mm, 0.01 mm。这些就它有一个距离的 ，then 它就会有 movement transfer of electron， then change of ion to ion to ion to ion 3 ion，OK， 这样子，这个是一个 oxidation 的 process。Displacement of matter from the salt solution， 来刚才我们讲的 AB 就是那个 salt solution， 我要拿到 pure A， 那么我就要跟 B 拿掉，对吧？Like I want AB, AB is the salt, so B, I want A is the pure metal. So I want to get A, so I need to displace B, hook up B. So this is also the redox as well. And displacement of halogen from halide. Normally it's group 17. Okay, this involves group 17 element. So all these are what I call the redox reaction. So, oxidizing agent is the substance that cause oxidation happen. So the function is to reduce in redox reaction, while reducing agent cause reduction. So the process is he oxidize the in redox reaction. So in short, 就是说 in short, the what I call the oxidizing agent will reduce element. Reducing agent will oxidize element in redox. OK，
可以说一次吗？
哦，就是说 oxidizing agent 呢，它的功能是 oxidize 嘛，但是我要 oxidize 这个东西，我就需要把它 reduce。所以它在 process 它是 reduce 的，就是说它的功能跟它做的 process 是相反的。所以如果它可以 oxidize， 那么它就是 reducing， 它的 process 是 reduce， 它其实做的东西是 reduce。因为你还记得刚才我跟你讲啊，我一个要 oxidize， 我就一个要 reduce 嘛。所以我 oxidizing agent 是来 oxidize， 那么 oxidize 那一个 element， 那么它自己本身就需要 reduce， 它才可以 oxidize。你明白？
明白。
这样子的意思，所以 that's why reducing agent 它的 process 是它的 function 是 reduction， 但是 process 是 oxidize， 就是这样，因为我要 oxidize 了才可以 undergo reduce， 这样子的意思，因为它是 simultaneous 两个都有的，就说这个就是它的主要的功能了。OK， 好了吗？好了，我知道。
老师，这一个我还有很多没有抄完，不如老师挑的这个先，因为我拍照起来了。
哦，不要紧。我这边你不用怕你们哦，因为我是一部分教，因为我要给你时间一边做一边问，所以所以你不用怕，你可以在班上抄，因为我们一来我的班是这样子的，我会给你时间抄，不会叫你回去抄，因为我不要占用你的休息的时间。二来就是你在抄的过程，你才发现到你哪里一个部分不会，你就可以当场问。
OK，
所以你不用太担心我这边会慢啊什么，没有，不会有没有啊。风波要担心，因为风波其实很多老师来不及教，我不懂你学校教不教得完哦，不过我是教完了，不过刚刚好，有些老师很多是教不完的风波风波
我老师
你不用怕，
我老师也是还没有教完，还没有教到 chapter 7。
你之前不是有补那个叫什么名字？你应该是有补习中心吗？我听说那个补习中心的 Kelly 老师不错，不是？
他是很不错的，只是我就是还没有，我就听不明白他在讲什么。
这样子这样子，你跟他是我们讲的师生相冲，因为有些老师他是这样的，他其实你听不听得懂，学生会不会啊？他有时候未必是那个老师的问题，他有时候是因为可能他的教法跟你的学习模式不符合，你跟不讲不 match 所以可能在某些方面来讲，你可能就会出现他一直在讲，感觉上你这样子看好像是明白是有道理的，但是你完全不明白为什么是这样他就会有一个这样子的那个嘛，说这个情况就是说，你的老师在教的时候，可能一半二来可能你们的班有规模啦，他不像我这样，我纯粹是教爽了，所以他的做法就可能不一样，就是说，因为他没有办法把它具象化，把那个，因为你这种 science 科需要你 imagine 嘛，所以他没有办法让你的 imagination 具象化，就是说他没有办法用一个比较简单或者是可能另外一种的方式来给你去具象化你的那个想象所以就变成你比较不太明白啊。不用担心啊，这边，所以你不懂你要跟我讲，因为这么我跟你的父亲讲说，叫你先来上几堂课先，然后如果你 OK，到明年你才来开始 start，就是因为要确保你要跟得不是跟得上跟不上的问题，就是我这边的教学模式要跟你的学习方式可能你要听得懂啊，对啊，重点是就是在像可能就是担心就是说你去补习中心，像你补习中心那边可能就是这样，因为我所知道啦哈。你那边那个如果你是补那个街上那一间的话，你的那个 Kenny 老师，我是听说是不错的。所以如果你跟他跟不上，那么就是说你听不明白，有可能就是说，就像刚才我跟你讲咯，就是你们的那个他因为还没有办法兼顾嘛，班上人多嘛，所以可能就变成了你可能就没有办法把他讲的东西把它变成那个画面你没有那个画面感啊。
是我家里
嗯
有人送东西来，我可以去拿一下吗？
你进来
很快。
有什么你跟我讲讲，反正我们现在没有降级。
OK
OK，你好了的时候，你再给我一个 emoticon，我就知道了。
OK，thank you 老师。 是我回来呀。
OK，你那个 note 记录下来吗？记录完了吗？
记录了。
记录完了啊。那么我往下啊。So let's see 咱们的那个like example of或者是 functions of reducing agent and oxidizing agent. Okay, compare 那个我们不是because before this we have this what you call the characteristic involved 嘛。So let us see what happened in this. Now, for reducing agent, because reducing agent, you will undergo oxidation process. So you will, how to say, you will follow mostly this one almost similar like you will donate hydrogen. Okay, this one is reducing agent. So you will donate hydrogen, accept oxygen, donate electron. So 它是 donate electron 的，叫 release electron and increase the oxidation number。我好像觉得这个两个倒反了。等我一下 ，gain oxygen 哦，对。Okay. Then for oxidizing agent, so oxidizing agent, you will undergo like oxidizing agent, the process will be terbalik, which is reduced. It will undergo reduction. So it will accept electron, donate oxygen, accept electron, and decrease. So the oxidation number will decrease. 像这种increase decrease 你可以用 arrow up arrow down 这样啊。OK， 好，把这个写下来哦。好了，我知道。
可以。但是我爸爸过来我可以接一下电话。
可以，没有问题。Okay, so next. So now for reducing agent, OK， 它的一些 example， 我们有的 example for reducing agent like we have iron 2 sulfate, potassium iodide, hydrogen gas, right? Zinc powder, sulfur dioxide gas, and then hydrogen sulfide gas. Okay. And then for this oxidizing agent, we have acidified potassium manganate solution. OK， 这个 slash 的意思是什么？就是 这个是它的那一个 acidify，就是讲的，就是把这个 potassium manganate 7 solution 放在杠掺一个 acid 在里面，哪里一种 acid 都可以，这就叫 acidify。Okay, means acidify means we put this potassium manganate 7 solution, okay, together with acid. Okay, so this is why you need in the formula, the chemical formula, you need to slash. Slash means that mix together with. Okay, and then we have a potassium dichromate 7 solution, of course, acidify as well. Why they acidify it? Because by acidify it, it will release, it will provide the hydrogen ion. And then we have chlorine water, bromine water, and hydrogen peroxide. Okay, so you can see for reducing agent, normally are those we call the positive, highly positive or electropositive element, like potassium, hydrogen, zinc 这些都偏向 positive 的，比较容易变成 positive charge 的。Okay, for oxidizing agent, normally are those who can easily become negative charge one, like or the group 17, it's group 17 element like this chlorine water, bromine water, like this. Okay, Linjie? You understand? This one,
Yes.
you need to be careful on here. This one and 2. Normally, these 2 are the one we use. While for this one, normally hydrogen gas, and then zinc powder. OK， 这是他们常用的点的，所以你等下记录的时候，这些都要写。可能在这2个的附近，你可能要打个 star 在上面呢，还是什么？你可以自己做记录，证明这2个比较重要，要记一下这样。Hello。OK， I think you better left some space later on, or maybe for the note in front one later, you jot later. Or by looking back at the playback, because the front one, those that is quite important. Actually, this chapter is important because for sure got one questions. Okay, we wait for Cindy to finish it first. Okay, 你好了，我知道啊。
Okay.
Oh, your mom gonna wait until 6:30 here. Because only left, you forget already, is it?
No, I haven't from
What? Why?
Because I got something to buy.
Oh, that's right. Not every time, right?
No.
Then okay.
是好了。
好了，等我一下。Okay, let's see some examples. Now, okay, let me resum it again. We are talking about redox reaction. Redox reaction is actually a process where actually every single chemical reaction will involve redox. So in redox, it will simultaneously happen 2 things: reduction and oxidation. So oxidation is the process involved releasing of electron from neutral to positively charged. Okay, like zinc oxidation. Okay, zinc become 2+. Correct. Now, for reduction process, those that has been reduced by accepting electron. Like, because when you get ionized, one get positive, one negative, correct? So this reduction process will be how they do. It receive electron, like chlorine, chloride. Chlorine become chloride negative. Okay, so for example, the ionizations of hydrochloric acid HCl, H will become H positive, correct? By releasing one electron to chlorine. Chlorine will become chlorine ion negative. So this hydrogen undergo oxidation, chlorine undergo reduction. And normally, like this one, so the hydrogen will be the reducing agent for chlorine because chlorine has been reduced from 0 to -1. So when reducing, he's a reducing, okay, but hydrogen itself, he undergo. Yes, so you see, function and the process of the agent is the body. So if HCl, H is the reducing agent for chlorine. So H itself undergo oxidation. Now, change back. Chlorine is the reducing agent of hydrogen ion. Correct? So, sorry, it's an oxidizing agent for hydrogen. Correct? So chlorine undergo reduction. Can you understand? So basically like this. Can I? Now let's come back here. Now, okay, for this one, magnesium, okay, will react with lead oxide, become magnesium oxide with lead. Now, here, the one has been changed is magnesium and lead 2 oxide, correct? So normally when you're facing these questions, when he gives you this and asks you to explain the redox reaction. So first, you need to mention the oxidizing process. Who has been oxidized? Which one has been reduced? And then who is the oxidizing agent? Who is the reducing agent? And it caused what like that. So you see, magnesium here. Yes, Cindy. 是你问我东西哈？
没有。
哦，没有啊。Okay. Now, for example, magnesium has been oxidized because from magnesium element to magnesium ion, so it be oxidized. Why? Because it gained oxygen. Okay, this one gain oxygen or release electron, release hydrogen. You check back to the later the frontal one. Okay, just now I already go through Cindy. So the frontal one we have mentioned the characteristic involved. Okay, now lead 2 oxide is reduced because it lose oxygen to magnesium. So from here, magnesium is the reducing agent, cause the reduction of lead 2 oxide. Okay, see, agent cause the reactant to reduce, then reducing agent. Now, lead 2 oxide is the oxidizing agent where cause the oxidation of magnesium.
So first is the agent and then the cause.
Sorry? Yes. You need to mention the agent. What agent it is? Reduce process or the oxidation process. Then you cause what to reduce. Like that. Can Cindy 可以理解他的回答模式？
可以。
可以啊 ，OK。Now jot this down. You can start jot this down, but you maybe need to left around. Maybe yours is how big the paper? Maybe 2 pages. You have to kosong a bit. 那给我心里好了吗？
好了，可是哦，
嗯
就是它是一个 reducing agent，然后它就会 process 那个 lead oxide 去，就是它分解掉。
不是分解，它是 reducing agent，就是它让这个，这么它叫 agent，就是它让这个 lead to oxide reduce，它自己本身是 undergo oxidation 的你明白？因为它是一套的嘛，它就好像讲，let's say，可能，
他们只是为换罢了。
它其实就是说，他们是一起的，因为它是一对的 process。那么 A 跟 B，let's say 就是一对的 process。我们每次是讲说 A 导致 B 这样，所以它是它的 agent 这样子的意思。所以如果讲来 magnesium 是因为 magnesium 它因为那个 lead 它可以导致 lead reduce，所以它就是 lead 的 reducing agent 这样子的意思。它的那个背后的那个讲法是这样，其实
明白，
，OK， 可以明白，
可以。
可以啊，当然。All right, now let's see. I think there's another questions. Yes, yes, there's another questions here. So try to do according to this one. OK， 把它当做是一个练习哦。看它这边有一个 process 嘛，对不对 ？OK， 用这样子的模式来做，看你做的对吗？
OK，
用怕错了，你照写，你先做了，然后等下我们改的时候，你就用红笔这样子放在上面。错了你就圈，你就可能圈啊还是什么，你做个记录，然后把答案写在上面就可以了。这样子你就不会，你就知道哦，我那个时候是为什么这样子做错，这样子的意思。
OK，
Okay. Because she's first time, she's not familiar with our standard operation procedure. So that's why I have to explain a bit. Because normally, like we tell you last time, most of the center they will give you just the what you call the copy then you just like reading books. Myself, I don't like this style because like your physics, you can like stop me halfway, then I will explain, like try to let you imagine. If by books, it's like the what you call, I don't know what you call in this what you call in this your Hindu religion, but we Chinese call this as what the Sami, we call it 和尚的英文叫什么来着？that Sami call what? I forget already the name. English name for that one. The monk. It's like monk, just half like that. No, for me, I don't like this style. And well, it's already proven in university, useless. Proven. But there are many lecturers that like to do this. They just write, keep writing. At the same time, the speed. Some of them are using mic. Okay, there are many lecturers don't like mic one. Try to imagine the class is 100 people. It's like a cinema, a small cinema size, small cinema size. And then he didn't wear mic. He just keep talking, like my voice to be heard by 100 people. So and the when you write, when you jot down the notes, they are writing in like this kind of scale, very small scale. So that's why you don't think it's funny why many people bring the recorder in the class. 你讲什么？好的。
还没有是
吓到我！我讲你好了，我要讲了，哇，这么快有你？
我以为我有讲东西没有是？
没有，这样我应该是听错了，可能因为你那个麦因为我是扔，你看我不懂你的 screen 看不看得到所以 I show my screen for 就是好像我讲话的时候 when I speak this one will show like some vibration I thought she's speaking because this one will keep vibrate. Maybe she's taking water or something. That's why I suddenly stop and see whether she asked something.
So what means H2S?
H2S is we call the hydrogen sulfide. Wait, let me check. I forget. I'm afraid I'm wrong. Hydrogen sulfide. Yes, luckily I'm correct.
老师还是 hydrogen sulfate 还是 sulfide?
Sulfate 是 SO4. Sulfate is SO4. If only S is called sulfide. If S put at the front, we call sulfur. The name nomenclature. There are sometimes SO2. SO2 is sulfur dioxide gas. There is SO2. S is a bit no. This sulfur S is a bit wrong. Later YouTube block me. So sulfur is a bit like it's like carbon. Carbon sometimes can be negative, can be positive because it's 4 it has 4 valence electron group 4 14 group 14 I think sulfur also I think it's same 15 I think. Wait sulfur is group I think it's group which group element already? I think group 16 group 16. So 14, 15, 16 are considered like half. But sulfur itself is more on the covalent side. So, but still it has the chances to become the positive side as well. So according how you bond it. So that's why sulfur, carbon, sometimes they can be alone. It can be like, means that it can be on the covalent side, the negative side, or the positive side.
老师好啊。
好了，我们等一下，啊，你等那let me know 啊。Done. Okay. So let's see. Let's see the answer. So now the one that involved here is hydrogen sulfide and chlorine gas. So you see, hydrogen sulfide will undergo oxidation. Oh, I shall block this one for you. I forget already. I should color it so that I let you guess which one is oxidation. It's okay. I got another question, I think. So hydrogen sulfide is oxidized because it loses hydrogen, while chlorine gas is reduced because it gains hydrogen. So the hydrogen sulfide will be the reducing agent of chlorine gas. Sorry, because it causes the reduction of chlorine, while chlorine gas will be the oxidizing agent for hydrogen sulfide because it causes the oxidation of hydrogen sulfide. OK 啊，做对了 ，done correct。做对了 ，Cindy。
后面2个错。
OK， 不要紧，我还有一题的。未来，应该这题过后还有一题啥 ？Let me check 啊。哎呦，哎，never mind 了。OK, you see, so wait, try to copy down this one first. 先把这个写下来先 ，so that I can discuss straight away. Copy this one first, 那呢？心情好了吗
老师，等一下，很快。
？OK，可以，没有问题。没有这样子啊，改天你好了哦，你就raise hand 这样子。
OK。老师，我没有关麦，还会很吵吗？
不会，不用怕。我如果会有受到影响，我会手动跟你关掉的，不用怕。你要注意一点，你只要 don't worry, your voice won't affect me, unless you truly smuggle in your boyfriend beside you, then I don't know. How to say later? Come, my dear. Oh no, everybody know. Like that. If you want to keep your relationship a secret, then you have to careful. You see, I'm gonna post this to YouTube. Very dangerous. 哎呀，你先不啦 ，stand up 嘛。Secondary school, and find boyfriend, girlfriend, standard, no problem. Although I never do it. My time, I'm too tardy. I mean, I'm too, how to say, I become a good boy, cannot. I'm regretting it. You know, our time we don't have this WhatsApp, you know. So those girl or boy normally they will, when you are having a good impression, so they will give you the letter. You never know. I've received quite some. I won't say a lot, quite some. Somehow quite funny. Although I might not looking good. Although, so now, okay, enough of joking. So let us see this. So zinc is oxidized. Why? You see, zinc is losing electron. So when losing electron is oxidation process. Okay, while the reduction process is gain receive electron. So this one is lose electron. So we say it lost 2 electron to form zinc ion, while copper 2 sulfate is reducing. Why? Because it gain or receive 2 electron to form copper atom. So from here, zinc is oxidized, so it's reducing agent. It's a reducing agent, cause the reduction of copper 2 sulfate. While copper 2 sulfate is an oxidizing agent, cause the oxidation of zinc. You see, the C and D, the way of writing it is the same like just now. So the only difference here is just now we straight away by the formula, we know what happened. It gives you what happened, oxidation or oxidize or reduce. Now by this half equation, you need to mention the how many electron loss or gain. That's it. Can you understand 啊？就是讲在这一边，你就要多写一个，就是在那个过程，我是多了，我 gain electron 还是 release 啊，还是 lost electron 啊，这样子。
Right.
Okay, all right, jot this down. Okay, we have for Cindy for one.
Teacher, can I ask, is it necessary when I answer, I need to write the CUSO4, or I just write
You can choose either one, but my suggestion, like I always tell you guys, better choose the formula one, because somehow you need it as well. You need it to, when you are using the what you call, you are doing the chemical equation, all this, you have to try to make yourself, how to say, familiar with it. Actually, you can only choose either one. 你可以用其中一个就可以了。
Okay.
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 This one is not ma. That's why I want to give you both ma.
Yeah,
Don't
then
worry, I'm a very lazy guy, so that's why I always choose chemical the equation only. But still, I get A for that, so it means that no problem.
okay.
Don't worry, as long as your teacher is not. Don't worry lah. Your teacher won't mark your paper, so for sure safe. Some teacher they are very, how to say, they are very how does I say, they are very strict I should say. They are very strict. You need to follow the way, especially our beloved Mr. Oi. The first day I come back to Hualien, I do the MS, he give me 80 something MS, and then, but I think I should get 100 marks. I said, why you minus one? I get it the correct answer. He said, you're not following the textbook. You didn't say you must ask me to follow the textbook, because my time we are allowed to have alternative way, which is faster. He said that's my style. Then I get angry and then you see young guy get cocky easily. I said, is it you don't understand how I do? Is it? So that's why when he teach my younger brother, he saw me. He said, you should learn from your younger brother how to respect the teachers. But my family are pretty, how to say, useful to each other. We even went to Thailand for vacation all together. So not really angry. He's like saying that I'm totally different. He said I'm very cocky. Okay, now let's come back. So you see, this is another way how the questions will come out. Like just now, you always like only the oxidation number or the process, correct? Now this one shows both together. Okay, like the oxidation number with the process. So you see, when hydrogen gas react with copper oxide, it will become water and copper element. So you see, hydrogen at first is 0, but it becomes water, which is hydrogen ion. Hydrogen ion is +1. So the number increase. So this is a oxidation process. Now for copper, from +2 copper ion reduced to copper element. So this is a reduction. Okay? Now for this one, okay, this shows how the value change. You see the oxygen like this, from 0 it release to here, become -1, so become 1+. So this is why this one, okay, so let's see the let me reduce a bit. Can see,
Yes.
all right. Now the hydrogen gas will undergo oxidation process, because oxidation number change from 0 to +1. Copper 2 ion undergo reduction, because the oxidation number decrease from +2 to 0. So copper 2 ion is the oxidizing agent, because it oxidizes hydrogen, while hydrogen is reducing agent, because it reduce copper 2 ion. Why this one is hydrogen only? Because here is element 0, right? So this is why copper is because initially copper is +2, so we say it's copper ion. Okay, it's you must very careful on this one. This is why, because I am not someone who is very careful. This is also why I always use chemical equation only, chemical formula faster. Okay, you understand? Okay,
Yeah.
Cindy, can you?
可以。
Okay, then jot this down.
老师，你过后会给我们练习做的吗？
什么东西？
你会给我们练习做的吗？
会，不过多数是在班上。我今天可能会给，因为我不还有一个 example 呢，我先看看那 example 怎样先，我可能会给你们做。通常功课我是会在 class 给，偶尔 ，OK，normally I will give class the assignment on class, right? But sometimes I will give assignment, sometimes 偶尔还是会有的。
老师，如果因为我觉得我的 basic 很差，然后我需要很多练习，所以如果我做完了的话，我可以跟老师拿 extra 的吗？
可以，你要有其他的我都有啊。
可以。
不过我多数我好像我教完第一课了，那么我可以给你的，我自己都有。如果你要自己做也可以，你自己可能去买作业簿做也可以。你作业簿做了，你给我知道，或者可能我会叫你交给我的舅舅，我去 canteen 拿，或者我直接去 canteen 拿。下课的时候你拿给我，我改了再给回你哦。
OK。
没有问题啊，改这个没有什么问题。
老师，我到时候可能会去实体课。
可以，没有问题，可以去实体课就更好哦。你直接就拜山上给我就行。然后你下一堂课回来的时候，我再给回你拿回去就可以了。
OK。
可以多做了，不要紧。或你给我的时候，那个答案你要给我啦，因为我要对一对，因为我怕我有时候会做错。
老师，我好了。
好了，我们等下一班了，因为你去等他那个嘛。
OK。
Done. All right, let me check first. In order, don't let you accidentally saw answer. Wait, let me check first. Yeah, I think we can. All right. Wait, huh? Oops. Sorry. Forget. 你开着麦了吗？
Yes.
She's opening the mic and I don't know whether I'm correct or not, but I seems like accidentally heard someone laughing at my mistake. See, this is not good.
Hey, teacher.
Okay, now this one. Make this your homework, huh? Okay. Make this your homework. Yeah, you have to forgive me. I'm already old. You see? Wait. Oh yeah, I have to open the screen. No, sorry, camera. See, all white, you know, all white, all.
I see black on my screen.
You see black? No,
Yeah.
no. You only saw the one that have dye color. 3 more months. If I didn't die, like starting from this month, I never die again. So I didn't die. After I go salon, hair salon for 2 more times, whole gray color. Yeah. Yeah. My all of my almost 90% is gray. This shows that how tough is my PhD life. But don't worry, as a teacher, I have to be responsible. Study is fun. Like what your parents always say, the biggest lie in the world. The biggest lie in the world. Study is fun. How fun am I? Is it fun until all the hair get gray? It's entertaining. Okay. Done, copy down, and then you are allowed to dismiss. For Cindy lah. your car is not here 嘛 so you cannot dismiss.
什么老师？我没有听
啊，
到。
没有，我讲你把这个题目抄下来了，你今天就可以先下课了，然后下一堂课我们再讨论答案。
OK。
因为达娜的车还没有来，所以我就讲他不可以 dismiss。
哦，但是
嗯
然后呢，
嗯，
我们只是写金跟 copper 的罢了哦，那个 SO4 不用写哦。
没有关系到的你可以不用写。
OK。
you see 啊 you only write the one that has changed in oxidation number. The one didn't change, then consider nothing happened 嘛。So this is how. Okay?
OK。
Alright.
可是我可以做完才 dismiss
可以 of course 啊，我也没有阻止你，我是讲你可以 dismiss 啊，如果你要 dismiss 的话。Don't worry, you can do it.